Ciao a tutti! In this video I'm sharing everything you need to know before you visit the Cinque Terre in northern Italy. What to see, do and how to get around. The smallest and oldest national park in Italy, Cinque Terre, is a stretch of Italian Riviera coastline made up of 5 villages. The UNESCO World Heritage Site isn't a place full of tourist attractions, but one cherished for its natural beauty and charm. Cinque Terre, famous for its colorful coastal village clusters and breathtaking paths along the cliffs, inhabits only about 7,000 people. The 5 villages from north to south are Monterosso al mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola and Riomaggiore. The villages are close together. Trains and boats connect them. The Cinque Terre Express runs frequently between La Spezia and Levanto and stops at each village. It only takes about 5 minutes from one village to the next. Tickets cost €5 for a single journey from one village to the other. The Cinque Terre train card is recommended for unlimited travel between Levanto and La Spezia and also includes hikes. The card costs about €18 for a day, 33 for 2 and €47 for 3 days. To explore all the 5 villages thoroughly, spend at least 2 to 3 days here. If you're short on time, Vernazza and Riomaggiore are the most photo-worthy. All the 5 villages have their own personality and defining features. Let's take a closer look. Monterosso al mare. The largest village, Monterosso, is known for its lemon trees and anchovies. The town is split into 2 sections, linked by a short tunnel. The new town has a beach and seafront promenade. Monterosso is the only village with a sand beach. On the other side of the tunnel is the old town, where you'll find the church of San Giovanni Battista, small shops and narrow streets to explore. Hey, quick break! If you like this video, please subscribe. Vernazza. Vernazza is called the prettiest of the 5 villages. Arriving by the train station, the way leads you down to the harbor and a tiny beach. The little cafes invite you to stop and enjoy the scenery. The Vernazza viewpoint is a popular spot to gaze upon the pastel-colored homes. Corniglia. Corniglia is the most quiet and smallest village of the 5. It stands more than 182 meters above the sea and therefore is the only village that has no direct sea access or harbor. From the train station, 300 plus steps, known as l'Ardarina, lead you up to the village. Once at the top, the church of San Pietro overlooks the village. Walking further to a sea-facing terrace, you can see all the 5 villages at once. Manarola. Manarola has no traditional beach, but there's a beautiful harbor surrounded by cliffs to jump from. It's a popular place on hot days and only takes about 3 minutes to walk down from the train station. In Manarola, you'll once again be captivated by the picturesque multicolored houses facing the sea. My friend and I walked from Riomaggiore to Manarola. Although it isn't a traditional hiking trail, you'll still get some spectacular views. There are many other amazing trails to hike, but note that the Via dell'Amore from Riomaggiore to Manarola is closed right now. It is scheduled to reopen in 2023. Riomaggiore. Riomaggiore is known for its brightly colored houses set around the harbor. Near the harbor, you can also rent boats or kayaks. In the marina, you can dive into the sea, although originally prohibited, and enjoy the sunset on the rocks. To reach Riomaggiore beach, take the short trail that leads past the harbor. When swimming or snorkeling in the clear water, you can see the railway tunnel. Riomaggiore is probably my favorite of the 5, and the one we stayed at. We had a really nice apartment. I'll link that down below if you want to check it out. Before visiting, brace yourself for plenty of hills though. I hope this video gave you some insights about the beautiful Cinque Terre. If you've ever been here, let me know what you enjoyed the most. And if you have any questions, drop them below.